This video will guide you through the installation of the K100 620 Aperio Cabinet Lock series. The K100 Cabinet Lock brings card reader access control to cabinets and drawers quickly and wirelessly. For a stable and reliable radio link, make sure the cabinet, locker, or drawer on which you are installing the K100 is within 50 feet of an Aperio hub. For details on installing an Aperio hub, please refer to the Aperio hub installation instructions, which are available on our website, intelligentopenings.com. Hold the lock body to the inside of the door and position it generally where you would like it to mount. Locate the lock centerline notch on the latch and use a pencil to mark this point on the inside of the cabinet door. Draw the horizontal latch centerline from this mark on the inside of the cabinet door. Next, transfer this centerline to the inside of the cabinet. Measure the horizontal distance between the inside edge of the cabinet and the door edge. Using the same distance away from the door edge, draw a line on the inside surface of the door. This line depicts the location of the strike mounting surface. Peel off the protective layer of the lock template and align both the latch center line and the line depicting the inside wall of the cabinet. Press to secure. Drill 4 holes through the cabinet as shown. 2 holes are 1/2 inch diameter and 2 are 5/32 inch diameter. Remove the lock template from the door. Peel off the protective layer of the reader template and align it to both holes drilled in the previous step. Note that some reader orientations may prevent use of the key override function. For example, in the door handing shown here, manual override cannot be used in orientation A, but it can be used in orientations B and C. Drill only one 5/32 inch hole depending on the desired reader orientation. Remove the reader template from the door. If your cabinet door thickness is greater than 1/2 inch, install the provided shaft extension to the reader to ensure proper engagement into the lock. Install the shaft extension to the shaft with provided 256 by 1 1/4 inch screw and firmly tighten the screw. Although a key override paddle is included with every K100 unit, the cam lock required to activate the key override can be purchased separately. If a key override is used, install the key override paddle on the arm of the lock body with the provided 0.80 by 1/2 inch screw and firmly tighten the screw. If a key override is used, first measure the cam length, R. Calculate the distance from the lock features as shown in this animation. Add 1 1/8 inch to the cam length measurement R. The latch center line must be a total distance of 1 1/8 inch plus cam length R away from the center of the hole you will drill for the cam lock. Mark the center of the hole to be drilled for the cam lock. Drill a hole in the door based on the cam lock installation instructions. Place and hold the reader to the outside of the cabinet, routing the wire through the 1/2 inch offset hole. Refer to the table on the screen to determine the length of the top mount screw needed, based on the thickness of the cabinet door. Install the washer and top screw, which attach the reader to the outside of the cabinet door. Make sure to avoid crimping the wires. Crimped wires may prevent the reader and the lock from functioning. Remove the battery cover from the lock. Place the lock on the inside of the door, threading the cable through the lock. Using 2 632 lock mount screws, attach the lock to the reader. Tighten the screws. Electrically connect the reader wire to the lock body. Make sure to correctly orient the connector while inserting it. It only goes in one way. Gently tuck the wires into the battery cavity. Always use new batteries. Install the battery and battery cover. Verify the battery is inserted in the correct polarity position. Install and tighten the number 256 screws. Please configure the lock before continuing. Refer to the Aperio Technology installation manual for details. If you have a double door, skip to step number 15. Peel off the protective layer of the strike plate template and align it to both the latch centerline and the edge of the cabinet. Drill 2 pilot holes. Remove the template. Place the strike plate over the pilot holes. Insert and tighten 2 screws in the slotted holes. Close the door to verify installation. Adjust the strike plate if necessary. After adjusting, insert and tighten the lockdown screw on the strike plate. Do not install the lockdown screw until the strike plate is correctly adjusted. If you are installing a Model 620 Double D bracket on a double door, place the bracket on the door, making sure it aligns with the mark made in Step 2C and the edge of the door. Mark the door. Remove the bracket and drill pilot holes at the 2 marks. Install the bracket using the mounting screws provided. Place the strike plate over the holes on the 620 Double D bracket. Insert and tighten the 2 provided 632 by 5/16 inch screws with the 620 Double D option. Close the door to verify installation. Insert and tighten the lockdown screw on the strike plate. To speak with our technical support department, please call 1-800-810-WIRE, 1-800-810-9473.